1990 to Land Rover Defender 90200Di. Price, $19,750. Location, Houston. The 1990 to Land Rover Defender 90 is more than just a vehicle, it's a legend built to conquer the wild. Finished in the rare and eye-catching Arles blue, this right-hand drive icon stands out wherever it goes. Its timeless, boxy design is instantly recognizable, reminding us of an era when vehicles were engineered for true durability and purpose rather than just comfort. The heart of this Defender lies in its 2.5-liter inline-4 turbodiesel engine, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission that delivers raw and dependable performance. The powertrain is designed for endurance, offering impressive torque that makes climbing steep trails or navigating rough terrain feel effortless. This is a machine that thrives where ordinary vehicles struggle. The off-road capability of this Defender is where it truly shines. Equipped with a dual-range transfer case and a locking center differential, it provides maximum traction in even the most challenging conditions. The addition of a safari snorkel not only enhances its rugged appearance but also allows for safe water crossings, making it a perfect companion for serious adventurers. The exterior features continue with 16-inch 5-spoke wheels wrapped in Cooper Discoverer tires, ensuring excellent grip on all surfaces. Practical additions like side steps, dual side mirrors, and a rear-mounted spare tire highlight its readiness for both everyday use and extreme exploration. Every detail of this Defender is built with functionality in mind. The interior keeps things simple and authentic, with a gray finish that reflects its utilitarian heritage. You'll find manual windows, a Kenwood radio, and a straightforward dashboard that focuses on driving rather than distractions. It's a cabin that connects you directly to the road or trail, delivering a pure and engaging driving experience. The versatility of this Defender makes it a rare find. Whether you're driving through the city or heading out on a weekend adventure, it adapts effortlessly. It's not just transportation, it's a lifestyle statement for those who value freedom, exploration, and individuality. The 1990 Defender 9200 TD represents a unique opportunity to own a piece of automotive history that still performs like a true off-road champion. If you're looking for a vehicle that combines character, capability, and timeless appeal, this is the one that deserves your attention.